Hey everyone, it's Shayan here, your trusted guide about everything related to Upwork and freelancing. Today we are diving deep into a feature that's been a game changer for many freelancers on Upwork, a feature that is called project catalogs. I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I've earned plus $20,000 on the platform so far, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to diversify your earnings and boost your visibility on Upwork by using project catalogs on the platform. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Project catalogs on Upwork is a feature that allows freelancers like me and you to create predefined projects. Think of it as showcasing your ready-to-go services where clients can directly purchase your services without going through the back and forth of proposals. Project catalogs on Upwork is all about diversifying your earnings on the platform, attracting new clients and new opportunities, and of course, doing of more what you love. Now, you might be wondering, why should I consider project catalogs when I'm already sending out proposals? That's a great question, so let's discover the advantages of project catalogs. First of all, with project catalogs, you don't have to anymore search for the jobs on the platform and then waste time and money writing and sending proposals on the platform. With project catalogs, you just need to set up your project catalog only once and then the clients will come to you. The second advantage of project catalogs is transparency. With project catalogs on Upwork, clients know exactly how much does this package cost, what is the delivery time, and what will they achieve after purchasing this service from you. This clarity can lead to quicker decisions and fewer revisions for the clients on Upwork. Next, as you know, Upwork is a search engine at its core. So, with a well-defined project catalog, you increase your chances to appear in search results, attracting new clients who are looking for a specific service on the platform. Don't forget that these new clients can later on transform to long-term relationships, which can help you to boost your earnings on the platform and maintain a sustainable and consistent source of income. Last but not least, one of the main advantages of project catalogs is the passive income. While you might be working on other projects, optimizing your profile, or even taking a break, your project catalog is live on the platform and is attracting new clients for you without you wasting the time or connects sending proposals on the platform. So you can definitely consider project catalogs as a new source or even as passive source of income for you on the platform. Now that you know what is project catalog on Upwork and also what are its advantages, let's talk about why freelancers like you must use project catalogs on Upwork to achieve success on the platform. First of all, in a sea of freelancers, a well-crafted project catalog can set you apart from the other freelancers. It's like having a storefront in a very busy marketplace. Upwork is not only about being the best at what you do. Upwork is also about standing out from a sea of competition and other freelancers. With project catalogs on Upwork, you can definitely stand out from the competition and make yourself different from others. The next thing that project catalogs offer to freelancers like you is the flexibility. So instead of sending proposals for projects that you're not 100% passionate about and maybe sometimes you lack the necessary skills and requirements, you can set up project catalogs for services or tasks that you're 100% passionate about and attract those clients who are looking for these specific services. Last but not least, with a detailed and well-crafted project catalog, you can showcase your professionalism and commitment, giving potential clients confidence in your abilities. Before we wrap up this video, here is the bonus tip for those of you who are considering setting up your very first project catalog on the platform. Don't forget that the project catalogs on Upwork is a dynamic tool, so don't hesitate to refine it as needed. The more that you refine your project catalog with its title, description or images, the more results that you will start to see. If you are interested in setting up your very first project catalog on Upwork in a very efficient and effective way, step by step, don't forget to watch my next video where I will show you step by step how to set up your project catalog in a very efficient and effective way to boost your earnings and your visibility on the platform. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos, tips and tricks, guides about how to become a successful freelancer on Upwork in 2023. If you have any questions or if you want me to cover a specific area of the platform, don't forget to write it in the comments below. Until next time, happy freelancing.